What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm here with Minister for Defense Christopher Pyne. You ready to go?
I don't think so. I've seen the damage to your home.
Christopher, this happened a couple of weeks ago.
Right, so
I ran straight into the garage.
this piece is supposed to be inside the wall.
Yeah.
If you were my son, I'd throw you out.
When do you move out? You've moved the entire wall.
I think it's important to help young people to be better drivers. Oh, that's not a good start, is it? You've got to put your foot on the clutch. Well, I would put my foot on the clutch, left foot.
Hang on.
I wouldn't cross my feet over. I'd put the brake on. Hang on. Here you go.
Can you help me with that?
I pulled it a bit hard. Great. We're off. Now, oh, no, this is a bump. There you go. You usually slow down for the bump.
Yeah.
And this is a roundabout.
And what do
Have
we
you seen one of these before? Yeah. Oh, no, you should use the to the left.
Oh,
and
I should have looked to the left. Sorry about that.
And I'm the Minister for Defence. The whole of the Defence Force will come down on you like a ton of bricks. And we'll have to get another Defence Minister, and we've had a couple already.
Just like a few Prime Ministers this year. So who taught you to drive, Christopher?
My father taught me to drive, and I failed my first driver's test.
One of your famous lines, Christopher, is that you're a fixer. And today, do you think you'll be able to fix my driving?
I'm a fixer. Because I fixed it. I don't know about fixing your driving, Kieran. A lot of people do say you're very bad. That is a long story about the fixer. I had actually fixed the problem. That was the interview where I basically had a gutful. And David Spears won a Walkley.
Yeah.
He won a Walkley Award for that interview, and he refuses to share it with me, which is actually, we should say to him, give him a shout out on your program. Tell David Spears to give me my Walkley back. I failed my first driver's test, and then after that, I had to do RAA learning, which was fine, because the RAA did a great job, and I passed my second test. See, I'm so nervous.
You're so nervous you can't
speak properly. Not bad, the suspension's not bad in this car. Good that you've gone to the trouble of cleaning the windscreen. If I could get my night vision goggles, I might be able to see through it.
Have you taught anyone to drive, Christopher?
Yes, I did. I taught my daughter Eleanor to drive.
And is she better than me?
Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm just making a few mental notes about areas of improvement. Gear changing is going to be not your strong suit. Solution to that?
What's the solution?
We're going to buy you an automatic.
Mum and Dad won't let me near our automatic.
No, what a good idea. Oh, no, I better let go of that thing because I can feel my white knuckles starting to... I'm getting arthritis in my left hand clinging to that door. When you go round the roundabout, we try and stay in your lap.
So Christopher, you're the Minister for Defence. What do you think of defensive driving when we're on the road?
Well, for you, it's an absolute must.
Yes.
But I think we should teach everybody else on the road that you're on the road.
Yeah.
So we should have an app alert. I'm just reaching for this door handle again. That's how that's going to help anybody. Oh, yes, we do.
Should be alright to do that. Look at that turn. That was alright. That was pretty good.
No, you've got U-turns under control.
Yeah.
How many gears is this car?
5.
I think we've tried them all. Oh, there's some happy skateboarders. They've got the Kieran app. Oh no, perfect stop.
Perfect.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining me, Christopher.
I think we've made some great progress.
I think we have.
When can we do this again?
Whenever you want.
Or maybe never.
I'm the king of the swingers wood.